Respectable viewer, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's a scenery of Bangladesh. It's a mustard seeds field. Here, there, green color is butta. It's a district of Bangladesh, Manikganj. Uh, this is a canal, water supply every piece of fields, grow rice, mustard seed, dal, etc. Water, it's a machine of water. Uh, uh, Electricity available, so production of water huge. It's a master sheet fields. Lots of flowers are flowering. Here is a banana field. Uh, it's a green here. Uh, It's a খেসারি ডাল বা bean. It's a beans of খেসারি. So এটা like একটা that's a natural scene of Bangladesh. That's a natural scene of Bangladesh. There is surrounding our village. It's a village scene of sometimes we saw straw stack. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.